Hi. Okay, now we're gonna put stuff in. It's very windy outside, so windy. It's indeed nuts. Right. Okay, so we got those entertained. Have this phone. Have the phone. The phone is a phone. And yes, we got a RV to entertain us to. All this stuff, plus this stuff is entered. We have some snacks. Indeed. So much gunshots. It's indeed so low. Yeah, I broke one of my pairs of sunglasses. I have these Weekend ones. They're so cool. There you go. But that's not all. We have more. Oh yes, we do have more. But we're not gonna do that yet. We're just gonna run back to the car. We have to run back inside. Indeed, yes, I have to go through all the wind, which is gonna be pop. Ooh, we're gonna do that in part 4, which is just me running. Here, 3, 2, 1.